Hi friends, do you know how the English medium schools, I mean convent schools, were started? In which year? By whom? These English medium schools started, and what is the origin of these convent schools? Do you know Dr. Maria Montessori, who is a famous pediatric doctor? She felt very sorry about the education system in the 19th century. Though she is a doctor, she had a keen observation about the education system, and she was very interested to change the system of education that was prevailed in her period. She studied different education systems of bygone days. As a doctor, as a children's specialist, she decided to start a new school, a pioneer school with a new concept. Her idea was put into practice. Then, in the year 1909, she started a kindergarten school in the name of Montessori School. She selected some students aged between 2 and 3 and called it as nursery class, Montessori nursery class. See, in nursery class, the children who are in between 2 to 3 years didn't have proper strength, proper nervous system to hold a slate pencil or pencil, because they are very tender. 2.5 years, you see, very sensitive, physically as well as mentally. But Dr. Maria Montessori strongly believed that I can create a new concept of teaching for the future generations. What is the main concept of Dr. Maria Montessori? Learning by playing. Nursery means collection of small tender plants which were looked after by an eminent, efficient, experienced gardener. As he is very experienced, he knows very well how to treat different plants. Some plants are very sensitive, they need very less water, less manure. However, some other plants are very strong. They need more water to grow, more manure to grow. Children also like that. Some are very weak and fragile, delicate, sensitive. So the teacher should act like a gardener while treating the children. So the concept of learning by playing became very, very successful. By showing the objects, by showing a car, she asked the children, "What is this?" "Ma'am, this is a car." She showed a horse. "What is this?" "Ma'am, this is a horse." She showed them apples. "What are these?" "Ma'am, these are apples." Like that, she created interest in the tender minds, as they have keen observation and very keen interest to say something about when we ask them. So she used different things, different play cards, different charts of animals, birds, vegetables, apples, and automobiles, animals, wild animals, tender animals. By pointing at them, she began to teach herself, though she is a doctor. Her way of teaching was attracted all over the world. Then so many Montessori schools were started and became very, very successful because of Dr. Maria Montessori. But nowadays, education became a business, very commercial. The founders of the Montessori schools, kindergarten schools, English medium schools, except convent schools, as convent schools are maintained by actually the nuns of Christian missionaries. So nowadays, wherever you go, you find convent schools, English medium schools, kindergarten schools, kids schools. They have grown just like mushrooms. There is unhealthy competition among them. అనారోగ్యమైన పోటీ మనస్తత్వంతో ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ దాన్ని ఒక బిజినెస్గా, ఒక వెజిటబుల్స్ అమ్మేవాడు, ఒక కిరాణా కొట్టువాడు, ఏమాత్రము ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మీద అవగాహన లేని వాళ్ళు స్కూల్స్ పెట్టడం, అది పార్ట్నర్షిప్స్. Partnership is always dangerous. Why? The partners always expect profits. They want to mint money, but education is a social service. A person who has social responsibility will not make education a business. I too started the first Little Roses School, convent school by name, but it is wrong to say convent school. Convent schools are only run by missionaries, run by nuns only. So many, nowadays there are so many public schools, Montessori schools, concept schools, techno schools, but they are all not service oriented. They are all only money oriented. As people are mad behind the money, they wanted to start a school, and they feel that they can earn millions of rupees by starting the English medium schools. But it is not easy. One should have ethics, moral values to start a private school. At the beginning, you may get good name, but as you see the money, you will become very, very greedy. In a nursery class, there should be some 20 children, below 20. But what about the present schools? In a nursery class, there are 40 to 50 children. How can a teacher manage? What is the method of teaching in a nursery class? Just oral. That is singing rhymes. Simple and easy rhymes. In a nursery class, don't use. Maria Montessori never used slates or slate pencils, notebooks. In a nursery class or in a lower kindergarten class. Only in upper kindergarten class, written practice. That too alphabets. Small letters, capital letters. And then the words, spellings orally, but not in written. Weekdays, months in a week, Sunday, Monday, like that. Oral concept, not the written. We should not stress the tender minds. Say, January, January. How can they repeat January with the spellings? So, Dr. Maria Montessori, who was very successful in kindergarten schools, she will feel very pathetic, very miserable. If she is alive, she will feel very sorry how her Montessori method of teaching is misused in the present world. So that is the concept of the Dr. Maria Montessori. Though she was a doctor, she had keen interest in teaching, particularly small kids. And as a psychologist, as a children's specialist, she observed and understood the psychology of the small children. That's why he entered education field and made her dreams true. And she was very, very successful. But her methods were today misused, and the education totally became business concept, not social concept. I am very sorry to say. Thank you.